Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Saputri Julida. You can call me Saputri. I'm from mathematics. And to this video, I will tell you about the trigonometric. All about trigonometric. Start from the history of trigonometric, the basic idea, the example, and the application of trigonometric. Okay, let's check it out. Trigonometry comes from Greek trigonom, which means three corners, and metro, which means measure. Trigonometry is a branch of mathematics that deals with triangular angles and trigonometric functions such as sine, cosine, and tangent. According to Edward Debye, that trigonometry is an Arab creation. Therefore, many words in trigonometry use Arabic terms. Okay, now let's discuss the history of trigonometry. The beginnings of trigonometry can be traced to the times of ancient Egypt and Babylon and the Indus Valley civilization more than 3,000 years ago. Indian mathematicians were the pioneers of calculating algebraic variables, which were used to calculate astronomy as well as trigonometry. Lagada is the mathematician known to this day who used geometry and trigonometry for astronomical calculation. In his book Vedanga Jyotisha, whose work was largely destroyed by the Indian colonizers. The term trigonometry was first used in 1595. Meanwhile, the terms sinus, cosine, and tangent had appeared in the 600s. Greek mathematician Hipparchus around 150 BC compiled a trigonometric table for solving triangles. Another Greek mathematician, Ptolemy, around the year 100, developed the trigonometric calculation further. The Silesian mathematician Bartholomeus Pitiscus published an influential work on trigonometry in 1595 and introduced the word to English and French. Here are some figures that influenced trigonometry: Al-Khwarizmi, Al-Batani, Abu al-Wafa, and Ibn al-Shatir. Okay, next, basic idea of trigonometric. Basic trigonometric ideas like sine, cosine, and tangent to produce formulas. Among them are as shown below. Next, the example. Given that sin A equals to 3 divided by 5 and cos B equals to minus 3 divided by 5, for A and B are located in the same quadrant, then what is the value of sin 2A plus B? Okay, let's answer that. If now sin A equals to 3 divided by 5 and cos B equals to minus 3 divided by 5. The quadrant where sine is positive and cosine is negative is quadrant 2. So, A and B is located in the quadrant 2. By using a right triangle approach and the Pythagorean theorem, Pythagorean triple 3, 4, 5, we get cos A equals to minus 4 divided by 5, sin B equals to 4 divided by 5. Next, using the angle number identity, we get so the value of is next, the application of trigonometric. Trigonometric application in life exists in several fields of science, namely in the field of astronomy. The application is to calculate the distance from the planet Earth to the Sun, to the Moon, the radius of the Earth, and also to measure the distance between the planets. Second, application in navigation, such as the sextant, an instrument by which distance can be measured by triangulating with the Sun or stars. Application in geography. In geography, trigonometry is used to calculate distance on a map. Application in video games. Trigonometry is used for programming video games. An application in medicine. Trigonometry is applied in medicine to be able to read an electrocardiogram, an examination that graphically records the electrical activity of the heart as a function of time.